Welcome everyone. Well, as to the making of this video, today is Friday evening, January the 24th, 2025. Going back to this right here, I got this back in September of 2021. So it has been over 3 years since I've first gotten it. This watch here is called the Kospet Optimus 2 Android Smartwatch. It is a standalone phone, basically, per se. It has built-in swivel camera right here. It's been a great tool for me for over 3 years. The only downfall that I experienced with this watch is that the battery, especially over 3 years, has I would say not at its peak anymore. Definitely not at its peak. A good example is that when I first got this watch will last me over a day and a half or over 36 hours, which is, I would say, regularly good. You know, if you start your day early morning, which I do at 5 a.m. and which would last me the whole day when I'm at work or if I'm out and about. And if I get back home late, past midnight, I know that I still have the watch working for me. But as of lately, the battery life isn't as good as before. Well, drastically not as good as before. An example that I'm gonna give you is that I start my work at 5 a.m. Put on the watch, and by 2:30, 3 p.m. the battery is drained. So that's not good because I don't get home until afternoon, late afternoon, evening. Sometimes I don't get home until after 6 p.m. and you know what's good of wearing a watch that's not even on, or basically it's dead, it's powerless. So that is my situation right now. It's been a great watch and I'm still gonna wear it until I find a replacement, and I'm thinking about going a different route rather than a standalone Android smartwatch like this. I may get, I am gonna stick with Android, of course, but I may get those other watches that are, I would say, Bluetooth linked watches that can synchronize with your phone, and it's not a standalone where it doesn't need to have a SIM card on it. And those, I'm hearing that they can last over a week at times. At least that's what the promotion is that they can last for several days, weeks, or I mean not weeks, but several days, up to a week before having to charge it, which is great because if I'm going out on excursions that, like for example, a weekend excursion, I like to have something on me, a watch per se, that can last through the weekend and not having to worry about finding something to charge it up my watch. So that is the situation now, but there it is, my KO2 smartwatch. Since September of 2021 to now, January of 2025, I can't say it's still going strong, but at least it's still going. Gonna see how long it still lasts me. I still wear it daily, and the only drawback is that I have to try to recharge it too often before the day's end. So there it is, guys. I guess this is a over 3 year review and usage of this Kospet Optimus 2 smartwatch. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Till next time, and we'll see what's going on. Peace.